The Vario Mobile Signature 1200 redefines mobile luxury. Handcrafted in Germany, this flagship motorhome offers a palatial interior. Think 5-star suite on wheels. Spacious living area? Check. Gourmet kitchen? Absolutely. Full bathroom and a private bedroom? Of course. But here's the real kicker. It comes with an integrated garage that fits a Mercedes-AMG. Every inch screams elegance, from premium materials to precision engineering. It's not just a motorhome. It's your luxury villa on the move. Whether touring Europe or escaping for a weekend, the Signature 1200 delivers unmatched comfort, performance, and prestige. Why settle for less when you can travel first class, anywhere, anytime? Rioja Bespoke Projects creates motorhomes so meticulously crafted and luxurious that they are made to order, because not everyone can afford this level of design. These Spanish-made trailers are tailored specifically to each customer, with interiors designed for ultimate comfort and ergonomics. With fold-out elements maximizing space, they include a living room, kitchen, dining area, multiple bedrooms, and at least 2 bathrooms. A prime example? Maverick Vinales, the famous motorcycle racer, lives in one during his tours. These motorhomes are the epitome of high-end mobile living, blending practicality with luxury, ready to experience bespoke perfection on wheels. The STX3 Pop-Outs motorhome is a mobile luxury suite built for pros and thrill seekers alike. With 3 massive slide-outs, it transforms into an ultra-spacious interior, perfect for teams, athletes, or families chasing performance and comfort. The sleek, linear exterior hides a high-end living space with a designer bedroom, plush lounge, stunning bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen ready for serious cooking. Need to haul gear? Its huge exterior garage stores scooters, quad bikes, whatever toys your lifestyle demands. Whether you're racing the track or touring in style, the STX3 delivers next-level comfort, elegance, and capability. Who says adventure can't be first class? The STX Living Trailer delivers unmatched luxury and smart design for life on the move. Built with premium materials and tailored options, it's your custom sanctuary on wheels. Enjoy a modern living area, fully equipped kitchen, and stylish bathroom, everything crafted for elegance and function. The advanced climate control system keeps your environment perfect in any weather, snow or sun. Whether you're on a remote job, a cross-country tour, or an extended stay, this trailer adapts to you with finesse. Strong, sleek, and endlessly versatile, the STX Living Trailer proves comfort and practicality can go hand in hand. Why choose between home and travel when you can have both? The Azimuth Tepui is the ultimate off-road expedition vehicle. Built by Poland-based Azimuth, this rugged box truck camper is engineered for remote, demanding terrains, without sacrificing comfort. Inside its smartly designed 10.8mm space, you'll find a cozy living room, functional kitchen, private bedroom, and a full bathroom. Everything you need for long adventures off-grid. It's perfect for 2, with flexible guest sleeping options too. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or crossing continents, Tepui keeps you safe, warm, and fully equipped. Forget compromise. This is true nomadic luxury with unstoppable performance. Why just explore the world when you can live anywhere in it? The Vario Alcoven 1200 is the definition of rugged luxury on the road. Built on a heavy-duty chassis with an integrated steel frame, it offers unmatched durability and stability, ready for any adventure. Inside, you'll find a spacious lounge, premium kitchen, elegant bathroom, and a cozy bedroom with fixed or adjustable beds. Its standout feature? Total versatility, customized layouts, finishes, and even add a garage to carry a car or gear for your next big escape. Whether you're traveling with family or solo in style, the Alcoven 1200 adapts to your lifestyle with grace and power. Why compromise when you can drive your dream home anywhere you please? The Newell Coach P50 is a $2 million masterpiece of mobile luxury. At 45 feet with quad slide-outs, it offers a palatial interior featuring quartz countertops, luxury leather seating, and 5 TVs, even one outside. The master suite includes a full bath, while a half bath adds convenience mid-coach. Tech lovers rejoice. Push-button start, a 360-degree and total vision camera system, tire pressure monitoring, and a VIP smart wheel with power tilt make every drive smooth and secure. Whether you're entertaining, relaxing, or touring in style, the P50 delivers unmatched comfort, space, and innovation. Why settle for less when you can command the road in pure opulence? The Intech OVR isn't just a travel trailer, it's your all-access pass to the wild. Built for off-road adventures, this rugged RV conquers terrain that traditional campers can't touch. Yet inside, it's pure comfort. A spacious layout with a cozy bedroom, full kitchen, and relaxing living area that fits the whole family. Want to roam far and wide without leaving homey comforts behind? The OVR delivers both freedom and functionality, letting you stop where you choose: mountains, deserts, forests, anywhere. It's the perfect fusion of durability and design, off-road tough, inside soft. Why compromise between exploration and relaxation when you can have both in the OVR? The Winnebago Forza blends diesel power with everyday luxury. Built on a Freightliner XCS chassis and driven by a reliable Cummins engine, it's made for smooth, confident travel. With flexible floor plans, it suits families or couples, sleeping up to 6. Step inside to find a master bedroom, convertible sofa, and a fully equipped kitchen, fridge, microwave, stove, and sink, all ready for gourmet meals on the go. The private bathroom adds home-style comfort, while the massive storage, cabinets, closets, and exterior bays lets you bring it all. Whether you're chasing weekend escapes or full-time adventure, the Forza delivers functionality, space, and style in one stunning package. It's not just travel, it's living large, wherever you park. The Seal 750 Mead is an amphibious marvel. Designed by Turkish startup Seal Van, this 7.5-meter hybrid blends the comfort of a caravan with the thrill of a boat, seamlessly shifting from road to water. Perfect for adventurous families, it features a cozy main bed, optional extra bed, compact bathroom with shower, and a fully functional kitchen. On water, it transforms into a vessel powered by a 50-horsepower Honda outboard or electric drive, reaching speeds up to 13 knots. Why tow a boat when you can live in one? Explore lakes, rivers, and coastlines without ever leaving home. It's freedom, fun, and functionality, all in one incredible floating RV. The Element Palazzo is a masterpiece of futuristic luxury. Designed by Austria's Marchi Mobile, it's more than an RV, it's a land yacht with presence. The standout Sky Lounge, a retractable rooftop deck, offers panoramic views for unmatched relaxation or party vibes. Inside, every inch is tailored for elite comfort with cutting-edge tech and exquisite finishes. Its sleek, aerodynamic body, iconic panoramic windshield, and glowing LED side strips turn highways into runways. Why settle for ordinary when you can drive a mobile mansion? The Element Palazzo isn't just travel, it's a bold statement of style, innovation, and ultimate freedom. The Furion Elysium is the world's first mobile home with a helipad. Yes, you heard that right. But that's not all. Right next to the helipad is a rooftop recreation area featuring a hot tub for ultimate relaxation. Inside, the minimalistic modern design is enhanced by a massive 75-inch TV, offering top-tier entertainment on the road. Outdoors, large screens are seamlessly integrated into the body for a full viewing experience. With all these incredible features, it's no surprise that the Furion Elysium is priced at $2.5 million. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on the move, ready to take luxury to new heights. The Hyundai HDC6 Neptune redefines the future of freight with its bold, hydrogen-powered design. This zero-emission semi-truck runs on an advanced fuel cell system, producing only water vapor. Inspired by Art Deco elegance, its aerodynamic curves and futuristic grille aren't just eye-catching. They slash drag for maximum efficiency. Say goodbye to diesel fumes and hello to clean, quiet electric motors that promise long-haul power without the pollution. It's not just a concept, it's a revolution. Hyundai's commitment to sustainability and innovation shines through every inch of the HDC6 Neptune, making it a visionary leap for eco-conscious transport. Who knew trucking could look this sleek and save the planet at the same time?